1. Copy the script file. The script download link is provided in the video description. 2. Open file location 3. Open the scripts folder. Paste the script into that folder. 4. Launch 3ds Max. 5. Go to Scripting, Arrow, Run Script. 6. Install the script. 7. Go to Customize. Customize User Interface. Find the script by typing its name in the search box. Assign it to a toolbar. Now, I have prepared a few example cases for testing the script. Please run the script on them and verify that the results are correct.